Go.
Hey guys, I have a Jojo Siwa box. I want to show y'all what's inside it. I'm just gonna get opening it. How do you do this? Oh my god, it's so hard.
What is it?
Adorable. It's like it's a jar, but like it's like a cup too.
Yeah.
It's like a joy cup. So pretty. So I have that, and then a Jojo Siwa bow. I have like a million of the Jojo Siwa bows. I have like a hanger.
You get a different one every month.
Yeah. Oh, fun. This is what this came in. Oh. I already got a backpack though.
But you don't have a Jojo Siwa backpack. Ooh.
Hey, maybe be for school.
No, it's too small for school tackle.
What you better be school.
She doesn't.
This tells us what bow I got, and what backpack I got, and the drink that I got, and just like the keychains that I got.
I'm sure I'm not said the cheese.
I got this one. I got.
Show us this though.
Okay, so I have this one, and then I have this one, and then I don't really. I have this one, but it's not.
The keychain is right there.
Oh yeah.
It's a charm. It's not a keychain. It's to go on your
Yeah,
bracelet.
and I have a.
This is to go on your bracelet.
Yeah, this little thing, and I have that. I think I'm gonna get. Yeah, I have all of it. This is all the stuff that I can get,
That's in there, yeah.
and it's all of the stuff that's in here. Hey, what is this? It's like a black. Wait, this is my
A
diary.
mini notebook and pen keychain.
This is gonna be my diary. No one look inside my diary.
Okay.
It's gonna be my diary. If y'all want to come to our house, and what is this?
This is just this. Look at the shirt.
It's a sweatshirt.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Is it?
You're sleeping and it's long. That's weird.
It's so long.
All right.
And I have this, which I already showed you. It's my diary that I'm gonna use as a diary. And then I think this is a black light.
It's a
Yeah,
pen.
it is a black light.
It's a pen.
It's a flashlight.
It's a black light
It says
and a pen.
pen.
It's a black light pen.
Okay.
And yeah, that's
All
all
right.
the stuff. If you want me to show you more stuff, just I can show you
She's
it right
right.
now, or I can show you
No, that's all for now.
it.
So tell them bye.
Bye. Oh,
Oh, the straw.
a straw.
So it
Oh,
goes.
yeah. Here's the straw that goes with this.
All right.
Because look at this little hole.
Cut.
And then you just put this in there. And yeah, bye guys. Love you. Just look at our other YouTube channel, and then we'll show you around our brand new
Our
house that
other
we got.
YouTube